Okay, I'm going to demonstrate to you quickly how to install Windows 10. All I have to do is I have my Windows 10 on my flash drive here, Windows 10 flash drive. So all I have to do is connect it to the USB port. My computer recognizes it. I am going to be running it from Windows 10. So all I have to do is I open it, folder, and then I have to know which version is it, 64 or 32 bits, but I believe it's 64, so I'm going to run 64 and see how that's going to work for me. uh, Windows 10 installation is literally straightforward, really. So so but if that's not the case, it's not going to let me. But for now, I'm not going to download any updates. I'm going to skip that for now, and then tap next. Now I'm waiting for the Windows to gather some basic informations. Then I can say yes, I accept. Okay. Windows keep. I don't want to keep anything because I don't need any of those files there. They're still there that I needed. So I'm going to select no. But if you have a computer that you upgraded and then you have some files on your computer, of course you have to select the first option, or better said to just read the options there, which says keep everything. But now for me, I'm not keeping anything because I do not have anything on the hard drive that I need to keep. Select that. Now I leave the Windows to do the job. That's to do the installation, which can take some couple of minutes. Okay. So in order for me to save space on my camera, I'm going to pause the video. Okay, yes. So then now after the computer has started, now it's doing the Windows installation now, which again is going to just take some time. Then doing the installation. Once that is done, then yeah, you can do the setup from there as well. Okay. So here I'm going to remove my flash drive so that the computer will not boot from the flash drive. I press any key. my Windows boot, and I'm going to connect back my flash drive again. During the installation, the window is going to start several times. Okay, that's it. I'm doing this video for demonstration purposes only. Okay, that's it. Now we have our Windows 10 computer. So from there you can do whatever you want. You can see the battery is fully charged, and I can connect my Wi-Fi, and that's sound. And then that's it. I'm good to go. Thank you for watching.